I'm in Agra, the tourism capital of India, and the tourist in me has come to life. The monumental task ahead of me is to profile the Agra fort. So I'm playing it easy. I've adorned my tourist attire. All I need is a guide. Mr. Bhadra, welcome to NDTV, Mr. Bhadra. So we hear that you're very much a part of the history at the Agra fort.
Yes, yes, you can say now. I am attached with this fort from last 46 years.
So I'm sure you know the juiciest of anecdotes about this.
That I can't claim, that you will decide.
Let's hope this is a wonderful journey, and let's hope the Agra fort makes it to the 7 wonders of India. Come.
You know, this is the hall where East India Company obtained trade license in India from Jahangir 1609.
Oh.
This is the hall where, you know, Chhatrapati Shivaji Shambhaji arrested by Aurangzeb.
This very hall? Oh.
And this is the hall where Revenue Minister of Shah Jahan, Salabat Khan, was killed by Amar Singh Rathore.
Okay.
Amar Singh also was killed on the first gate. That's by name of the gate, Amar Singh Gate. On the remembrance of Amar Singh Rathore.
Oh.
So this was historical public audience.
The Agra fort. This was the main seat of the empire during the Mughal reign. The fort, built like a city, contained in it a treasury, even a mint. The Machi Bhavan was the fishing arena for the royal family. Next to the Machi Bhavan, facing the Yamuna, the Diwan-e Khas, the hall of the private audience. Shah Jahan has left his architectural trademark on this monument. Marble carvings with gemstones. A replica of this can also be found in the Red Fort in Delhi. We're at the Jasmine Tower where Shah Jahan was confined for the last 8 years of his lifetime by his own son Aurangzeb. They say we get a panoramic view from here of the Taj Mahal. We'll try and show it to you. Too bad because the mist is playing spoil sport today. But at least we tried. The Jasmine Tower or the Musamman Burj has this fountain that creates the optical illusion of a white carpet. Those unfamiliar with the surroundings would normally end up splashing a lot of water. Anguri Park or the Grape Garden was placed opposite the royal quarters with the harem of the emperor surrounding the garden. Once under the Mughal control, the fort of Agra was an impregnable castle. Fortifying it was an outer water moat full of crocodiles. The internal periphery was secured with a dense forest. Any attempt to infiltrate the fortress was met with brute force and wild animals. This is Jahangir's palace, built by his father Akbar. It is an architectural tribute to communal harmony, its structure inspired by forts of Rajasthan. Well, I have a believe it or not moment for you. We'd all love to believe that the Taj Mahal is only made of marble. A part of it is, yes, indeed made of marble. The facade. But on the inside, this is what the Taj Mahal looks like. A symmetric arrangement of bricks interspersed with limestone. We go into what was Shah Jahan's architectural laboratory, and waiting for us, the inside story of many a marvels. Is the mother of all bathtubs, an example of the luxurious lifestyle that the Mughals used to lead in India. It was presented to Jahangir by his maternal uncle, Man Singh. In these modern times of water scarcity, Jahangir would have had to settle for a bucket of water. On our way out, we see the Amar Singh Gate Mr. Bhadra had spoken about.